everybody, I'm Nate.
I'm Vanessa, and together we're a Team Taylor with Berkshire Hathaway.
Today we're at 2840 Shanti Lane in beautiful Georgetown, California.
This place is as private as it gets. Custom built home, let's go check it out. Look how spacious this is.
Got bamboo flooring, butcher block countertops, new cabinets, new paint.
The whole place has been redone.
That's beautiful.
Look at all the windows and the nature and light coming in.
Check out this view.
Oh,
gorgeous.
wow.
Paradise to see. A special kind of magic is coming over me. I'm where I'm meant to be.
Full solar and no electric bill.
Connected dots, the stories blind, led to a forever happy ending. A warm embrace, a familiar face, took on another brilliant change.
Over 37 acres with Canyon Creek on the property, this huge wraparound covered deck, sunset views.
And a 1,200 square foot shop with a full bath. And you won't believe what else there is.
And now we shine. Every ray of sunshine is smiling down on me. And every bend in the road is a
To see this home or any other homes in the area, or if you're thinking about listing, please reach out. We'd love to connect.